Hey, it's Tracy with the Y. Hey, I just did a quick overview of the front yard and my little porch for Easter. Didn't turn out great. I need to work on it a little bit, but I was kind of just using what I hadn't used inside. So I found the golden eggs that were missing, so I put those on the front porch and a few other things. These are my Louis Vuitton concrete planters with Timu flowers. I think they're pretty cute. Not as good as fall. I have a big video, not a big video, a long video of those. I'll upload it soon. Here's that little flag has a fluffy tail. It's so cute. So here's the porch, kind of before I started. Kinda. I think I added a few things. So this is the before. I don't love it. It needs some work. My black and white rug's in the dryer now. It's alright, just not my favorite. It'll do for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.